Hello, and welcome to our explanatory video, Applied Deepfake Detection and Audio-Visual Verification, as part of the Erasmus Plus co-funded project, Deep Tech for Creative Trust. In this video, you will learn a practical four-step process for verifying audio-visual content, the tools, the techniques, and the professional habits that turn media suspicion into evidence-based judgment. Verification is not complicated, but it is methodical. And once you have a repeatable process, it becomes second nature. Here are the 4 steps. Step 1. Reverse image and video search. Before accepting any video at face value, run a keyframe through Google Reverse Image Search or TinEye. If the same image appears elsewhere with a different context or date, something is wrong. For video specifically, InVid and WeVerify are free browser extensions that do this automatically. Step 2. Check the metadata. Every digital file carries hidden data. When it was created, what device made it, whether it has been edited. Tools like Jeffrey's EXIF Viewer or EXIF tool let you read this in seconds. A mismatch between the claimed date and the file's creation date is a major red flag. Step 3. Go frame by frame. Most video players let you step through footage one frame at a time. Look around the hairline and ears. That is where deepfake algorithms struggle most. Watch for blinking that does not match a natural rhythm, and listen for audio that feels slightly out of sync with the lips. Step 4. Use AI detection tools as a supporting layer, not a final verdict. Deepware, photo forensics, and Sensity AI are accessible and either free or low cost. Run the content through one and document what it flags. But remember, these tools assist your judgment, they do not replace it. Professional tip. Build a personal verification checklist and keep it open whenever you review media. 5 questions, 2 minutes. It becomes a reflex quickly. Here is how this works in a real classroom or training session. Set up a verification workshop using a suspicious-looking video sourced in advance. Give students an investigative brief. Who appears in this video? When was it supposedly recorded? Does the metadata match? Is the voice in sync with the lips? Concrete tip. Require a written evidence log from each team. Students note what they found at each stage and rate their confidence level. This forces analytical rigor and makes the final group presentation much stronger. Students consistently report this is the first time they have been asked to think systematically about media credibility. That shift alone makes this session transformative. The debrief is where the professional ethics dimension comes in. Ask, what would you do if you found this in your email, in a newsfeed, or cited in an academic paper? What is the responsible next step? Work with students to draft a personal verification protocol they can actually use. Students consistently report this is the first time they have been asked to think systematically about media credibility. That shift alone makes this session transformative. The key takeaway: verification is not an occasional task reserved for journalists. It is a professional habit, and like any habit, it gets faster and easier the more you practice it. Practical challenge. Take one piece of media you have shared in the past month. A video, an image, an article. Apply the 4-step verification process to it right now. What do you find? In the age of synthetic media, educators who verify before they share protect not just their own credibility, but the trust their students and colleagues place in them. Thank you for your attention.